2014 Cadillac CTS Sedan 4 doors. So you want to hook up the power wire, the speaker wire for the high-low converter, which is whatever high-low converter you be using. I would recommend audio control for this one. Now you want to go look for subwoofer wire. Subwoofer wire you're looking at right here is blue gray and then green black. Blue gray is pin 1, green black is pin 5 on the 8 wire plug right there. And then you also want to come the green wire plug, which is a 16 pin. You're looking at pin 8, and pin 16 would be, pin 8 would be green violet and then gray black. Green violet is positive and gray black is negative. Now if for some of those of you have issue with like ANC, auto noise cancellation, that's what they call it, you want to cut all this off. I would never recommend cut it this close. I would recommend cut it this much. Do not cut the green wire on the black second one right there, right below the brown. It's the all of this need to be cut, but unplug it first, then cut it later. This is for the microphone. Now this, if you have all kinds of noise, thumping noise when you drive, you need to cut all these off. But I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm gonna test it out and see if I need to cut this off with the audio control system. And you can see right here, I took everything out right there for the power, to run the power wire, and then I'm gonna run the speaker subwoofer wire to the high-low converter.